What I like about what you do, you confirm the title and your thumbnail that it is about a living room update. But it's maybe a little bit too long. We're 16 seconds in the video before something happens. What I would do is open your video with whatever you want to say, and then as a B-roll use you walking on carpet, for example. We're now 52 seconds in the video and I still don't know exactly what this video is about. I see two problems with this video. First of all, it's in story structure, and second of all, it's in expectation. I don't think that you made a deliberate decision in what kind of video that you wanted to make. That makes the story structure a little bit weird. Do you want to make an update video on this is the end result, and then you could have shown with B-roll how you got to that end result? Or do you want to make a story like I got from A to B by doing this, that, and this is the end result? Both of those types you should communicate in the title and thumbnail, and now it's a mix between the two which viewers won't expect. You talk about a living room update, okay, I expect to see the end result. But when I watch the video, I see you unboxing your couch and people delivering the couch to your living room. And the reason why I say that you probably didn't think ahead is because you say welcome twice in the video. First here at 1 minute, and then over here we're 4 minutes in, over here, and then you say welcome again. You probably confuse the viewer and they might click away from that. Also try to avoid naming your intro because there is no value in the intro for viewers, so there is no need to watch that part of that video. Because when I search on YouTube, you can see that it shows also the chapters of all the videos. And when you see a thumbnail of a chapter that starts with introduction, yeah, why would you want to watch that? Nevertheless, you're doing a banging job, so continue with making videos and well, this will be big. This will be big someday. Let's take the next one, and that is Dad Bod Forever. I like your channel name, but I have a little bit of trouble grasping what this channel is about. Is it about education for your children? Or is it about vlogs? You ask here for the Content Creators Club. You created a Discord, something we can learn from the slap from Will Smith. Now here it's about the car, here it's about a day trip that you took, because viewers subscribe because of a reason, and viewers subscribe because one type of content and expect when they subscribe that they get more of that content. When you don't deliver upon that, then viewers won't return to your channel. And I'm gonna ask you a really nasty question, and I don't mean that in a bad way, but why would people care about your videos? Because the kids can't play here anymore. The problem with the title and thumbnail like this is it's a statement, and for a lot of people you are just a random dude on the internet, and why would they care about that your children can't play there anymore? You have to make people care, and the way you do that is by triggering curiosity. If you want to make these vlog types of videos, then try to find what makes that trip unique. For example, someone fell in the water, or someone broke his leg, or whatever. There needs to be some kind of reason why viewers want to watch that video, because something happened, and that is the teaser of your thumbnail, of your title, and where you're working towards in your video. If you decide to make the vlog type of content, then make sure that the whole channel is that vlog type of content. And prepare that video that you make. You can't take a camera with you on a trip and just film that day, because then there is no goal in the video. Make sure that you have a goal before you start filming. And is there another goal, or indeed someone breaks his leg or her leg, then you can film that, and that will be the new goal of the video. But you need to think ahead of what the goal of that video is, the why. Why should people care about that video? And that's a super hard question, but that will help your videos a lot. And for example, this video, she ate a snail. I would have liked to see her reaction to eating a snail. This is a video by Cat Wonders. She ate a spider, and you can see the reaction on her face that she doesn't like it. This is something worth clicking on. On top of that, she says, do not watch. Well, yeah, that's a reason to watch a video. And by the way, if things are not working on your channel, then try something different. You know what they say about insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. And that's exactly what I'm trying with this video. I'm trying a new video format. So please let me know in the comments, what do you think of these types of videos? Should I make more? Are these too long, too short, too fast, too slow? I'd love to hear from you. Let's click on one of your videos. This is pretty much a talking head video, but I would like to have more B-roll in the video, simply because it keeps viewers in the video. Let's click on another video. This one. The kids can't play here anymore. I would expect something with your kids playing and that they can't play there anymore. But what is the first thing that you say in the video?
Solar panels.
As a viewer, I think I clicked on the wrong title and thumbnail.
I love them. I love solar panels. In my backyard, subsidizing people putting...
I notice unconsciously what I do. You don't get to the point of this video quickly enough. In other words, I start skipping in the video because I still don't know what this video is about. Is it about solar panels? What is the link with your children and that they can't play there anymore? Is this because they put solar panels there and that's because your children can't play there anymore? I think a better title for this video would be How Solar Panels Ruined Everything, for example. And just as a tiny remark, you can say that your kids can't play here anymore, for example. I can see the potential in you as a YouTube creator. Just keep making videos, just choose one type of content and you'll see your channel will grow much quicker. And the next one is Michael Bordenero. And Michael, we talked in December, I coached you in December, and we talked about a couple of things on how to improve your channel. And we talked about the type of content you wanted to make, because at that point in time you didn't know really what you wanted to make. And I saw your submission and you said I chose real estate. I think that is a really smart choice because I think there is a lot of potential in real estate. You try to experiment with a lot of red thumbnails, and although I like the thumbnail style of red thumbnails, the downside is it is a standard Canva template and a lot of creators use that template. So that makes it a little bit problematic to stand out. Nevertheless, red is a very flashy color, but when I compare that to your more recent thumbnails, I do think they are a lot better because they are more glossy and they are more visual. Congrats, by the way, on your 73,000 views over here. Really well done, really well done. I do like the fact that this title starts with a why, because a why implies that there is more information than just one fact in the video. Unconsciously, before clicking, viewers made the decision that they need to invest more time in this video. This makes them watch longer, which is good for your watch time and thus promotion. Is there really a housing market shortage? That implies a yes or a no question. In other words, there is not a lot of incentive after they've got the answer to that question to watch the video any further. The emotion in this thumbnail might be a bit stronger. Now it's a little bit, but is there really a housing marketing shortage? That could be a stronger expression on a face, so it's easier for people to pick up on that emotion. I'm going to nitpick on your thumbnails a little bit further. The titles thumbnails are so much better as what you did before, but when I, for example, look at this title here, it is cut off. That means that people can't read the complete title. So to prevent that, make sure that the best thing is in front of the title, because that's the first thing that people can see. Titles are cut off after 45 to 50 characters, so try to make your titles and thumbnails compact and short. Generally, the shorter the better. Also, this thumbnail here, you're laughing, and the problem with laughing is that laughing is not really a strong emotion because it's the default emotion on a photo. You could have had an emotional response to the cheapest and nicest oceanfront condos under 350k. What? Whoa! Now let's talk about a strategy to go further from here. A couple of videos peaked, this one, and this one over here. Try to figure out why that is. Is it because of the thumbnail? Is it because of the title? How long do you keep viewers in the video? Or is it maybe the topic of the video? And especially for this video over here, I would try to replicate that video in maybe another format, or have a connecting video to this, make a follow-up video of this video, or maybe a contradictory video. This is about why you should wait out. Maybe you can make a video about why you shouldn't wait out. And because this video already did so well, you have a high chance of triggering YouTube Home and Suggested, and those are the golden traffic sources for getting views for creators. And I coached Michael, but I can also coach you if you're stuck or not stuck and just want more views. You can book a discovery call with a link in the description. And the coaching program is completely personalized, so I look at your specific situation and look at what you need to grow on YouTube. So I teach you only the information that you need to know at the level you need it.